I want to increase code area, and first step is to hide this minimap. We can go up to the menu from view, appearance, and turn off this checkbox minimap. Very handy shortcut is to hide left sidebar, or just press over icon like this, or with the shortcut Ctrl and B, or if you prefer to be placed to the right side, you can move it from this command, move primary sidebar right, like this, but I prefer the first option, to the left. Another very useful option is to, for long rows like this, we can wrap it from view and this option, or with command, Alt and Z keyboard shortcut, like this. But this option must be turned on for each page. And I want to remove empty rows with spaces and HTML comments. Now the HTML code looks much more compact.